Hey there! Are you facing an issue when trying to mount a firewall-enabled Azure Storage on Azure App Service, even after whitelisting all the outbound public IPs of the app service on Storage Firewall? This behavior is by design. When the app and the storage account are deployed to the same geographical region, the app service will use private Azure IPs for communication. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can resolve this issue. As you can see, I've configured an Azure Storage mount on the app called temp1. Here on the storage accounts firewall, I've whitelisted the app's public outbound IP addresses. However, the app still fails. This can be viewed by navigating to the Diagnose and Solve Problems page on the app. Search for the detector Container Issues. Here you can see that the custom storage volumes failed to initialize, causing the app to fail. You can resolve this issue by integrating your app service with a virtual network and enabling service endpoint for Azure Storage on the app service subnet. To do this, navigate to the networking blade on your app service, select Virtual Network Integration, add Virtual Network Integration, select a VNet, select an available subnet, and click Connect. Your app is now connected to a virtual network. We just need to go ahead and whitelist this subnet on the storage accounts firewall. Select Add Existing Virtual Network, select the same app VNet, and the app subnet. Hit Save. The app subnet is now whitelisted on the storage account, and you can see that the endpoint status is enabled. That's it. Your app service should now be able to mount a firewall-enabled Azure Storage. Thank you.